Welcome. In this video we are going to check maximum camera zoom range on the Samsung Galaxy S23. Okay, so to check the maximum zoom range we have to go for the photo mode and we have to simply switch from the 3x4 50 megapixel to the normal, and right now we have to click and hold it and we are able to zoom in with the slider. So as you can see, we can zoom in to the 30 times, and when you go for the 20 or above, you will get this preview in the right upper corner, and it's a little bit easier to navigate with this option. Of course, right now it looks terrible because I'm in the small office and I'm unable to catch focus on the objects that are very close to the lens, but you can zoom into the 30 times in this phone. And that's all for this video. If you find helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.